Alright, so on that flight, flying it over water, which seemed risky, or seemed a little scary, but it actually handled really well. I didn't have GPS. I obviously don't get GPS with this, but it went on and off. So every time I got GPS, it would fight the wind and jerk really violently, and then lose GPS and come back. Hey friends, you're gonna be part of my video, right?
Yeah.
So I want to figure out a setting where I can turn off the GPS. That would, whoa! Because if I turn off the GPS, then I never have to fight it never tries to fight the wind for me, and I do it myself. So that's flying on top of the world in the Arctic Circle.